Another attempt on putting the multifunction steering wheel with the cruise control. So what we need to do is we need to take out all this, the battery, and then the little panel in under there, under the battery tray, and then we need to find a black connector which we need to plug into, run the cable all in inside the dashboard and into the van. So yeah, let's get started. So here is the fuse box, and here is the plug that we need. Now you might be wondering, how do I know that this is the one? Because there's two black plugs in here, but this one, you're gonna have to believe me, I can't do it with one hand. This one has the black and yellow cable going into it. So that's how I know. We are looking for the black connection with a black and yellow cable in pin 1 going from the connection into the ECU. And what we need to do is we need to plug this in into the other end, which is this one here, I believe. Yeah, this one here. This one here, pin number 1. Let's go. Alright, so here is what we have. We have the cable going in there, through, out here, going in there. I just need to get myself a loom tape, black one, special Volkswagen. It goes through the bulk, in there, and into the cab. And this is the cable. This is the cable that's going to go to the steering wheel. So stay tuned.
Across Ireland, this is The Last Word with Matt Cooper on Today FM.
Coming up in the next hour, more rain on the way. What more damage might...
To the Dublin Airport app. It does everything but pack your bags. Corks are our reports, okay?
Port Bia, and we